Friends, welcome to my stock market news channel. Today I will discuss an important stock. Before going to that particular stock, I first of all I am now in Nifty 50. Nifty 50 is continuously downgrading, and today Nifty is present is 17,511.25 and minus 43.05 point down. That means 0.25%. Every day it is continuously downgrading for the last 5 days. It is market is falling for last 5th straight day in choppy trade as a rate hike worries persist, and last 5 days the return is minus 2.67. Last 1 month, that is last 1 month it is minus 3.35%, and the last 6 months it is minus 53%. In that scenario, only few stocks are upstream of Nifty. This stock not only today is upstream but also continuously moving upward. It is a very risky stock. What I am going to tell you, I am going to describe you. I am going to fund analysis these stocks, and your capital can become below 50% or more. But in opposite side, it can give you 100%, thousands percent return. Yes, thousands percent return in just few years. Friend, this video only for the risky investors. If you are not a risky investor, you please don't buy this stock. And for the it is friend, the only risky investors are using these stocks and must buy on these stocks. But for conservative people, it is better to stay away for this type of stock. I already once again I already told you, and the reason is there. For conservative investors, those are having much more capital, like 50 lakhs or more, 60 lakhs. They can just invest just some secured stocks like Hindustan Unilever or etc., and can get money double in 5 years. That means 50 lakh can be 1 crore in 5 years. But all the people, retail investors, those are beginners, those don't have much money, they can they can buy these stocks, and this is risky stocks. And I'm not going to tell you that you invest all your money in that type of risky stocks. I'm just telling you, use your 10% of your investment and money in that type of stocks. And this is multi-bagger stocks, future multi-bagger, so naturally you can get thousands percent of return. Suppose you have a portfolio of 10 lakhs, you can only use 10,000 rupees for this type of stocks, nothing more than that. And baki and other 90% is just can be grow with time, and this 10% is 10,000 maybe become more and more the lakhs. Suppose but those are the younger, just I'm telling you already, and the big return can get with this type of multi-bagger stocks. And I'm just, for example, giving you rupees 10,000 in CAGR of that 25% in 20 years becomes 40 lakhs. Yes, 40 lakhs. And this type of stock, what I am choosing here, these are not 25% CAGR stocks. They are approximate. You will get 45 to 50% CAGR stocks, and you can get your 10,000 rupees in 20 years become at least 3.32 crores. And but they have another opposite side also. Okay, anyhow, it's a really an excellent business. What I'm calling, it's a business, not a stock, because friend, I only see the business inner of a stock. If I believe, then if I believe that particular business, then I only choose to searching out fundamental. I just use the fundamental analysis. I use different analysis for that particular stocks, and then I only choose to show you, or choose just I invest there. And but friends, I never believe in support and resistance. Basically, I don't believe, this is my own personal view, that technical analysis just cannot give you the exact answer. Any stocks, there in what it may be, there's no exact particular resistance, or there is no particular support level. Sorry, but if you this is a totally I think this is my own perception. It is really impossible to find a real support or resistance level. It is really foolish to find out the particular stock support and resistance levels. Anytime the support can be break or resistance can be break. And technically this is only the fundamental, because the stock value is only depend on the business. With patience, a big return, what is called multibagger return, can be possible. Example, rupees 10,000 in CAGR 35% in 20 years become 40 lakhs or more than 40 lakhs. So now the CAGR is a compound annual growth return, and my expectation CAGR is more or less 45 to 50% for this company, and the result is 3.32 crore approximate. But you may lose capital also. This is also the risk part. The chance is here almost nil. It is really an excellent business, what I call, because friends, I only see the business in of a stock. If I believe, then I check the fundamental of the stock, but I never believe in support and resistance, friends. Anytime support and resistance can be failed. It is really impossible to find a real support and resistance level. It is really foolish to find out a particular support and resistance level. It's better, I think, take fundamental stocks with good CAGR and less debt, and sales growth high and consistent, and check the return growth history. That's all. Friends, today I will introduce to you another multibagger stock which has also tremendous potential to prove as a multibagger stock. Please like and subscribe my channel, the Stock Market News, and thank you for supporting with us. Every day we are trying to find out a particular gem stock, and we are trying to analyze this, and if anyone is successfully completed with our analysis, and then I also only describe this particular stocks in this channel. Friend, this is the excellent stock what I am trying to tell you, and this is another excellent stock, and for today it is 52 touched the 52 week high, and last 5 days it is returns is 29.45. last 1 month it is 19.87. last 6 months it is approx 73%, and last 1 year return is 104%. That means your capital has been doubled, and the maximum is, this is a new company. It is started from November 2020, and within that time it's becoming 600 times returns, 600 times. That is excellent. And if you see the total movement of the stock is continuously upwarding, and every time it's moving, and every time it's moving, and every time it's giving you the returns. Every time there's a totally upward movement. Friends, Aron Industry Private Limited, the stock having excellent consistent growth record. It is a public limited company, and last 1 year return is 104%. As I already told you, just double investment in 1 year, and from November 2020 return is 599%, means 6 times. And comparing stock, we are just comparing two stock. One is the Sensex Nifty 50, another is our stock is Aron. Last 3 months the return, just check the return. Nifty is 5.41 and the Aron is 44% plus. Last 6 months if you compare, it is a minus 0.6% in Nifty 50 and Aron is 67%. Last 1 year if you compare it, only 5% given by the Nifty 50 and Aron is 102%. This is excellent movement, and you will see the difference. It is strong stock, and sales growth is high and consistent, and this is an excellent stock. This stock has been from November 2020, maximum return is given 599, and the public limited company designed it is a design, basically it is a excellent stock, and it's vertical traveling industries. It's basically a mainly engaged in the business of manufacturing elevators and elevators part and steel polishing, etc. And the products are the manual doors, auto door machine, control panel, elevator cabin, auto door system, gearless machines, etc. And it is the advanced technological infrastructures, and it is a excellent stock, but it is same around Industrial Limited is mainly engaged in the business of manufacturing elevators and elevator parts and steel polishing. And the stocks, basically the micro cap type of stocks, there is 230 crores only. Current market price is 229. Just it touched the 52-week high. P is 43, and the industry P 24. Sales growth is 51%, and the promoter holding is 75%. Excellent promoter holding, and the pledge is 0%. That means there is no pledge has been given by the promoter. Any pledge, the share has been not pledged anywhere. It is 0%. Debt to equity ratio at 0.65%. That means there is very low debt, and presently see the market capitalization already we already covered the stock P 43, more or less same. Book value is 17.5, nothing special, this is fine. Return capital employed, yes, return on capital employed is 22.8%, and the return on equity is 26. These all are the excellent stocks. More than 15% is sufficient for a good stock return, and here is a 22.8. that is excellent. That means your investments is doubling in the year. And the promoter holding already told you 75. Sales growth is 51% sales growth. It's excellent. And the industry PE naturally I've already told you. And now they come to the next point, is the analysis part. And analysis part, all the pros are the expected good return this time, and 137% CAGR last years. So another, this is an excellent thing. Another is the data day improvement. It's continuously data are improving, and data day has improved from 30 days to 23.7 days. This is a very good point. But also the net profit is continuously improving. From March 20 it is 1.34 crores, next 21 March 21st is 1.93, and 2022 it is 3.71. that means March 2020 it is 1.34 crores, and March 2021 1.93, and it is jumping from 1.93 to March 2020 is 3.71 crores. So naturally more than double. And if you in cons, there is a stock is trading 13.1 times. It is not a issue. 13.1 times of book value for such a stock which is continuous running is okay. There's no problem. Company might be capitalizing the interest cost. This is also okay. They are capitalizing means they are using the total interest cost in a particular company development for company growth. So naturally excellent, no problem. Now directly come to the last point, that is a promoter holding, just cash flow. We will just check the cash flow. Net cash flow is continuously moving. There are some positive, negative. That is a new company. Naturally, it's a very common for them to be sometime become negative or sometime positive. But presently, it is a positive. It is fine. And the investors, the ratios are there. Data day already I told you. Data's day 25 to 23. It is fine, no problem. And next is investors. There is a 75% investor, 75% holding is promoter holding, and friends, we are now in a website. It is we already see the Aero Industries, enhancing safe vertical travel. There There is excellent company. I already told you, I already described each one of these, and basically this is a public limited company striving for maximizing safety in the vertical traveling industry with advanced technological infrastructure and dedicated team of 100 plus. This is an excellent company. Already I told you everything about the company. It is a really fundamentally good company with low debt. Sales growth is excellent, and in every cases it is working fine. If you really invest here and with a risk, minimum risk, then you can easily get a good amount of money return. Dear friends, it is really a microcap company. Microcap means 100 to 500 crores company, so risk is a very high. You must research yourself on consult before going to invest. But friend, risk is a part of life. If you don't take risk, you will never know what could have been. So wish you a very happy investing journey with me, friends. Wish you a very happy investing journey with me, friends. Till then, by tomorrow I will try next another stock, and thank you very much. Thank you for your inspiration, and please like and subscribe.